guys. I'm back. Okay, let's open this up. Thank you so much, John, for the comments and the experience. John left comments in some of my videos on this series. Go back and look at part 2 and part 3. So with his knowledge added to this, I decided I would go ahead and videotape doing the cleaning to fix the RPS error completely. He gave me the confidence in taking the fan off. So that's what I'm going to do. And right now I got it all set back up. But of course now I'm pretty sure I'm going to need to drop the motor out. But again, we're going to find that out. I'm going to go like I did before. I'm going to get it all the way back to where I had it before, where there's only one screw holding the motor up, and prop it open, and then try to take a look and see if I can find the set screw. And that'll help me determine how far I need to go. So thanks for coming back. And again, thank you for the comments. This is what this was all about. Thank you. And I want to also be complete. I took all the screws out. I used one of these little magnetic things that they work really well for taking all this apart. And to show you, can you see? Yeah. I didn't do that last time to show you. It is unplugged. Always unplug these things when you're going to work on it. So, oops. All right. So, that's number one. Oh, I forgot to take my couplers off. Ugh. Yeah, you'll see me kind of squatting a little bit. Even with the lift assist, I kind of twisted a little bit wrong, pulled my back a little bit, lifting this thing. It's a lot better than not having it, but it's still hard. Okay, so now we got that. Take the magnetic part. I didn't have this high enough. Oh, I see. Last time I had this a little lower. I lifted it up a little bit more so that when I work with the motor, it'll be better. So now we'll just take out, and I'll show you, we're going to take out the 2 bottom screws here. Now I'm just going to set them right here. Yeah, I appreciate it, John, for giving me this confidence, because he was right in what he said. This doesn't take nearly as long as I thought it was going to take. It actually goes pretty well. But I didn't show pulling out the screws on the last one, so oh boy. Put it back in pretty well. I didn't want this thing to come back apart. But I'd rather do it right than wrong and show you guys the entire process. If like when you did, like I did and it didn't work, you would have to come back in and do this. Where's that chunk of wood I used? I'll be back. Oh, okay. We'll lift this up. There we go. So that works. And I always forget about the screwdriver. And its functions. Okay, well, I'll be darned. More dirt in there. So yeah, I didn't get it all cleaned out. So this is probably good. So now, aha, there's the set screw. Thanks, John. Yeah, I didn't see that before. Okay, it's right in between two of these fins right here. So, I'll be back. I've got to go get my C-clip tool and then a flashlight because I can't tell what that set screw is. I'm thinking it's going to be an Allen screw, an Allen key. But anyway, okay, I'll be back. Okay, it's going to take me a while to get this right for you guys. But right there is the screw. Underneath here, see if I can get the light right, is the C-clip. And I'm not sure if this is going to show up or not yet, but I believe there's a, what do they call those? There's a key in there against the shaft that the set screw sits into. So it looks like it's probably self-aligning.